Karachi court issues non-bailable arrest warrants for Waqar Zaqa in cryptocurrency scam case. Subscribe our channel. Dawn vocabulary with Urdu meaning. A Karachi court issued on Thursday a non-bailable arrest warrant for television and social media personality Waqar Zaqa in a case pertaining to an 86 million rupees cryptocurrency scam. Earlier this year, the Federal Investigation Agency, FIA, had booked Zaqa in connection with an inquiry into alleged virtual currency-related transactions from his bank account. On Thursday, when the matter was taken up by the judicial magistrate, the former TV host failed to appear in court. Subsequently, the judge directed the office to issue a non-bailable arrest for Zaqa, who is allegedly absconding to avoid his arrest in the case, and adjourned the hearing till January 5. Inquiry against Zaqa. The FIA has said that an inquiry was initiated against Zaqa upon the receipt of a source report initiated by the Financial Monitoring Unit, FMU. It stated that during the last 3 years the aggregated credits of 86.1 million rupees and debt of 87.1 million rupees were observed in his bank account, adding that the bank statement revealed that the funds were being credited into the accounts through foreign remittance and clearing of checks, which were subsequently debited through internal transfer to the accounts of his different family members. It went on to say that Zaqa used social media for charity purposes and international crowdfunding, through which he received 6.8 million rupees. FIA added that the money was withdrawn through a pay order and interbank fund transfer. Whereas, the multiple news, blogs, and videos were found on a public database which transpires involvement of accused Waqar Zaqa into cryptocurrency/virtual assets, alleged the agency. During the inquiry, Bitcoin/cryptocurrency-related posts were found on his Twitter account. The accused also promotes cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, it further alleged. The agency maintained that after examining the report, secure documents such as copies of the bank records and institutions, and oral evidence, it had been substantiated that the accused, in violation of banking rules and regulations and prescribed law of the country, fraudulently and dishonestly committed the offenses of virtual assets/cryptocurrency trading and facilitating to use virtual assets for transferring funds and generating profits. It added that after the inquiry was initiated and the accused was summoned, he initiated false propaganda against the institutions of the state and was found involved in illegal activities through social media by putting up objectionable material/remarks against the institutions, threats to the government officials and provoking the public against the state. He was allegedly found guilty of committing the offenses punishable under the Pakistan Electronic Crimes Act, 2016, Pakistan Penal Code, Anti-Money Laundering Act 2020 and Foreign Exchange Regulation Act 1947, FIA added. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.